Lucky fan with one of those pink Rockstar t-shirts. Picking away her helmet too. Right now as these drivers making their way out, they're going to sign some autographs. We also got Monster Truck Rides just for what? The main grandstand seating area. Right over here, Bill Payne, your Monster Truck freestyle winner. Would have a word with the big winner. Absolutely awesome freestyle run. We got the best trick competition. It was tough. It was very tough. Tell us how you did it. Last year we were here at, obviously I was third in there, third to last. I didn't have a real good run last year. We had a lot of break-ins, but all I can do is think, I got to do something to be able to redeem myself here in Stockton. I had two big trucks right after me. All you can do is kind of just hold it wide open. I tried a couple of the two-wheel things, got it up on the sidewalls a little bit. I hope everybody was happy. We got another great show tomorrow. We're going to kind of deepen up some of the jumps a little bit. We're going to bring in some more cars, a fresh bus, and just have another great show. Looking for another great show. You got to check it out tomorrow night as well. We thank you all for joining us here at the Stockton Dirt Track for Monster Truck Madness. We have another performance tomorrow night as well. On behalf of all of us here at Stockton Dirt Track, Stockton, California, you guys rock! Once again, Monster Truck drivers are signing autographs right now over by the souvenir stand. We can get your Monster Truck souvenir hats, t-shirts, toys, checkered flags, get them autographed by the stars of Monster Truck Madness. We also got Monster Truck Rides going on the hostile Monster Fire Truck. Right down, just to the left of the main grandstand seating area. That is where you can find Monster Truck Rides.
Bill. So how was the show, Bill?
Good. Good. I feel bad for the FMX guys.
Yeah.
They didn't want to jump because of the wind. And
right.
They tried anyway.
You heard anything about him?
I mean, all his toes and fingers and everything worked, so it wasn't something serious with a heel. So I think they said they had a big gash on his forehead, and then his shoulder was all bummed up. So
well, at least it's not anything worse than that.
Yeah,
I mean that's for sure.
Everything will heal. First thing I said, does his toe still work? Yeah. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
The rest just takes time.
Yeah.
It was good. It's tough, you know, when you know that Donald's, you know, going out right after you. So
right. What happened with you and your freestyle with the kid?
I just couldn't find reverse in time, and then once it was up like that, then it ran out of fuel.
Okay. So
yeah, it picks up all the way from the back, and the pump wasn't strong enough to pick the fuel up.
Yeah.
Oh well.
How did you think about your freestyle?
I liked it. I was having a good time. I thought the track was good. You know, it wasn't bucking us. There was enough room to where we could actually get crazy in between the jumps. So I mean, that's one thing I love about the speedway shows is because it's not like an arena where you just, you know, you can't plan your runs and you can't just let it sail. Here we were actually airing out. We had time to be able to correct and then go right into another jump. So that was fun.
Okay. You had anything to do with the side acts or the speedway?
No, I recommend the Kamikaze Kid, so I brought the Kamikaze Kid in just because I don't like how the FMX takes so long to tear down and all that. So I was just like, yeah, let's bring him. So that was my thought, was he could be blowing fire and he could be doing all this stuff while they were setting up the ramp. But then the ambulance thing happened. But it definitely had too much downtime tonight, but we're going to fix that for tomorrow.
Okay.
It's tough, you know, when we got different acts that come in that don't work with us. Heck yeah! Oh, I bet the silver one works somewhere else in this track.
Well, we'll be here for the next day.
Cool.
Yeah, so we'll get another.
I like the racing. I like that big, long racing. I just when we were in Post Falls, that was actually the end of those kind of racing. I was just so tired of that short Chicago style racing. It's like we need to be able to let these things, you know, sail. So sure can. Already got it. Okay, I can do that. There you go.
That's the best race I saw in a long time.
Yeah, I would rather just start. I want to be able to let people hear the motors and scream, and just the other racing was just ended up being everybody was trying to take the corner so sharp so they could make a faster time. Well, then it was affecting the quality of the race.
Right.
So like your buddies, you know, when we did Cottage Grove, we went ahead and did obstacle course racing just because there wasn't enough room to be able to do a big course with two lanes. So we're like, let's do it with singles. So I mean, they were 17, 20-second times. So I mean, you got to run the truck a lot longer. So I thought, okay, it's time to do the big racing.
Yeah, so you're going to be doing the Pound Hound at Montana?
Yep, Billings. So it's all painted already. It's already been mounted, so all we have to do is when we get home after Crescent City, bam, put it on. So I'm excited. It came out beautiful.
Well, it looked great.
It's really, it was a bunch of layers of I used a sponge, but I couldn't use the sponge. I couldn't dip the paint because then it was too much paint. So I had to take one of those little tiny, you know, airbrushes, and then I'd paint the sponge, and then I could paint the sponge. So I mean, it was 18 hours of just dabbing, and then I'd get that color done, and then I had to turn around to another color. So it was 4 different times of that. So it was tiring of doing this for 2 days.
Well, I spoke to Lorna a little bit earlier during the pit party, and I said that I want to show up at the shop right before you go to Montana, and maybe I could shoot video of it, and maybe a little thing with you too of it. So
and we're trying to figure, because we're going to do a second one. The ride shark's going to change to the dog as well for next year. So we're trying to figure out the paint scheme for that one.
Okay.
All right.
Well, I'll let you go, Bill.
All right, bud.
What happened there? Okay. But what do you think about your freestyle tonight?
Went pretty good. A couple of the first guys set the bar high, hitting the motorhome and everything, so I had to find something different. So hit a couple of the ramps sideways, tried to get some big air. The motor was getting pretty hot, so I think tomorrow we'll put some more fuel in it. But all in all, I set the bar high enough for Bill and Larry and Donald. Man, them guys are crazy. They definitely went all out. My brother broke a tire off, so broke a spindle, so we'll have that all fixed for tomorrow's show. We're just happy to be back here in Stockton. We were here 2 years ago, and 10 trucks this year has been pretty crazy.
Yeah, I've been watching a lot of videos of you guys, and you guys seem to raise the bar this year. I mean, what was that all about? I mean, you get more experience, or was it?
Yeah, I think more comfortable with the trucks. We're getting the shocks dialed in. We've been playing with shocks a lot. We've gone to a stage 1 and a stage 2 with a log splitter, and really liking that. So I think that's some of it. Just being outdoors, being able to jump big. Our competition too, everybody always steps it up, running with Bill here or whoever's with us. So just try to keep pace. We like to win, run hard for the fans, because without them we wouldn't be able to do this.
And I know you're going to be in Arizona.
Yep.
You're going to be in Redmond,
Oregon.
Yeah.
Last show of the year, November, and then Troublemaker is getting replaced. Bill's building us a brand new chassis for Trav's truck to match mine. So that'll be good for next year. We can really beat on it. I beat on mine all year and haven't had a problem. So we're really looking forward to it, and that'll be our project for the winter.
Ooh, look at that.